Let's get acquainted with Athena's remote control and trainer. It's important that you understand how each control works in order to get the best results when using your Athena. There are two components: the controller, which allows you to control the functions of the Athena remotely, and the trainer, which is inserted vaginally and emits mild electrostimulation that causes your pelvic muscles to relax and tighten. Let's take a closer look at the controller. It has a green start button that starts the electrical impulses in the trainer after you have inserted it. It has a stop button that can be used to stop the impulses in the middle of a session if you need to. The Athena is programmed to run for a 15-minute session and then turn off automatically, so you probably won't have to use the stop button very often. The intensity dial controls how strong the impulses are that are emitted from the trainer. Each woman is unique. Some women use it at level 5 with great results. Others may have to use the dial between 25 and 35. Many women set the Athena between 10 and 20. This level will change depending on your vaginal sensitivity from experiences such as childbirth or pelvic surgery. Some women may not initially feel any sensation until their muscles are working better. Be assured that even if you can't feel the intensity, it is working for you. The goal for using the Athena is not how high you can go, but whether you are experiencing comfortable sensations. Higher is not necessarily better. You should set the intensity dial at the highest setting you feel a comfortable sensation. The LED status light tells you what the controller is doing. When it is flashing yellow, it is waiting for a command from you. When it is solid yellow, it has understood your command and is adjusting to it. When the green light is on, it is working at the desired setting. If you change the intensity during your session, the light will turn yellow until it has reached the new setting. The frequency switch. The Athena can deliver its stimulus at 2 different frequencies, which are measured in hertz or pulses per second. These frequencies have been selected to mimic the natural firing rate of your neurons. The lower setting, 12.5 hertz, will activate your slow-firing motoneurons or slow twitch muscles. This helps if you are experiencing urge incontinence or what is known as overactive bladder. The 50 Hz setting activates the fast-firing motoneurons. This setting is used when you have problems leaking, when you cough, laugh, or put other pressure on your vaginal muscle. This is called stress incontinence. Many women experience a combination of stress and urge incontinence. This is called mixed incontinence. They would alternate using 50 Hz for one session and 12.5 for the next. The controller also has a storage cradle for the trainer when you're not using it. It's very important that you return the trainer to the cradle after each use. There is a switch in the cradle that completely turns off the trainer so that its battery life is extended. It also resets the trainer to be ready for your next session. Now let's look at the trainer. You'll notice that it's a lipstick-shaped object that has 2 metal rings around it. These rings are where the impulses are generated. If you stop feeling the sensation while you're using the Athena, it's probably because these rings have moved too far away from the muscle and nerves. By shifting your body or moving the tip of your trainer gently with the tip of your finger, you can reestablish the contact. The trainer also has an eyelet at the end. This is to allow you to attach a dental floss loop, if desired, for easy removal after a session. There are some initial steps you need to complete before using your Athena. The remote control runs on 3 AAA batteries that are included in the package. You need to unscrew the back of the controller and insert the batteries. Make sure that the batteries are inserted correctly with the plus and minus at the correct ends. Now that you're acquainted with your Athena, let's have you use your Athena and get it adjusted to the settings that are just right for your body. Before you use your Athena for the first time, you should wash it with warm water and mild soap and dry it. If you're planning on using dental floss to help you remove it, this is a good time to insert the floss through the eyelet on the bottom of the trainer. Tie it in a knot and then return the trainer to the cradle to reset it for use. You should also check the frequency button to make sure that it's set on the desired level. Once the trainer has started, you can't adjust the frequency level without starting over. Many women find that applying some personal lubricant to the tip and to the electrodes helps them insert the trainer more easily. It also helps the electrodes contact the sides of the vagina. It is not required or necessary to do this. It's a personal choice. Now set the intensity level to 5. Insert the trainer and push the green on button. If you don't feel any sensation after about 30 seconds, then turn the dial up about 2 notches. The yellow light will go on because you've changed the setting. When the green light comes on, it has reached the new level. Keep gradually increasing the intensity level until you feel sensation. When you begin to feel something, you might want to increase the dial only 1 step at a time. When it starts to get a little uncomfortable, turn down the dial 1 to 2 settings. This should be the right setting for you. Now, every time you use your Athena, it will automatically go to your personal setting. To obtain maximum results from your pelvic muscle trainer, you should use it consistently twice a day, or as your doctor has recommended. Since our bodies change from day to day, you may sometimes have to adjust the intensity level for your comfort. This is normal and natural. You're getting in tune with your body's natural changes. To use your Athena, find a comfortable place to relax, insert the trainer, and push the on button. The Athena will go to your unique level and exercise your pelvic floor muscles for 15 minutes with no effort from you. After the light goes out, remove the trainer, wash it and dry it, and return it to the cradle, ready for your next session. Remember, your condition did not happen overnight. It took a long time to develop. You need to use your Athena on a regular basis to see results. You have never communicated with your pelvic muscles on a regular basis. It may take some time for them to wake up and feel the stimulation. Women's anatomies vary due to life events such as childbirth or surgery. Be open to moving the probe around slightly while in use to find the right placement for you. Your body changes from day to day. Hormones, liquid intake, stress, and other things change your body's dynamics. Therefore, you might feel a stimulation one day and not another, or you may stop feeling the stimulation during a session. This can be totally normal, and you are still getting the stimulation. The Athena PMT is a very well-designed and tested medical device. We have it manufactured to the highest quality possible.